When the general economy is strong, most businesses are driven by strategies that increase sales. But during a recession, sales-driven plans are harder to execute. A smarter plan would include ways to lower expenses and increase productivity. In the filter servicing business, that means finding ways to reduce shipping costs, inventory and handling costs, and overall route costs. But lowering costs are just part of the equation. What you really need is a different filter media, a filter media that can help you increase your productivity. That media is called PolyStrand, the media with a memory. Simply stated, PolyStrand is a filter media that is both economical and efficient, which together can help make your filter business more profitable. PolyStrand is economical because of its compressibility. Compressibility that turns this into this. But if you're using polyester filter media, compression is not in your vocabulary. Instead, you're concerned with things like warehouse space, truck space, and wasted space. Here's why. A single box of polyester filter media occupies 8 cubic feet, weighs 16 pounds, and contains 20 filters. 5 boxes of polyester media would occupy 40 cubic feet, weigh 80 pounds, and contain just 100 filters. That's a lot of wasted space. But imagine that same 100 filters as polystrand filters. The same 100 count of polystrand filter media is found in a box like this, which occupies just 3 cubic feet and weighs 21 pounds. This driver's hand truck contains 500 filters, compared to just 100 polyester filters on the same hand truck. Consider the difference: 100 pads versus 500, or 40 cubic feet versus 15. A route truck that looks like this or this. Product staging that looks like this or this. And unlike most polyester filters, PolyStrand is available pre-cut in either industry standard sizes or, if you prefer, custom sizes. You can do the math, but the difference is clear. By switching to PolyStrand filters, you can reduce shipping costs, handling costs, staging costs, transportation costs, and changeout costs. Superior's polystrand fiber media is also engineered with efficiency in mind. Efficiency that comes from 2 unique processes, Poly B and Total Tack. The Poly B process totally encapsulates each glass fiber in a poly coating, which results in a high loft air filtration media that's soft to the touch. Total Tack is a dry tactification process that permeates each glass fiber with a substance that improves dust gathering. PolyStrand also employs a unique progressive density structure which enhances filter efficiency. There's something else to consider. Polyester media is made from oil. PolyStrand is made from recycled glass. As concern about the environment grows, that makes PolyStrand a preferable choice. In summary, this economy demands innovation from you and your filter media partner. A worldwide leader in HVAC filtration media, Superior Fibers is consistently developing innovative products like PolyStrand that help our customers lower costs, improve productivity, and increase their bottom line. We invite you to learn more by visiting our website, superiorfibers.com, where you can review and download product information, test reports, and technical data. Our website also includes a useful calculator that will reveal how much you can potentially save by choosing PolyStrand over standard polyester. You may be surprised at the results. Contact us for details by calling our sales department at 740-569-4175 or email us at sales@superiorfibers.com.